Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. Today I'll inform you about the topic some important abbreviations for mail. Here I'll inform this topic's details. In the left side I'll inform the acronyms, and in the right side I'll inform the meaning of the acronyms. So I'll give you 1 or 2 seconds to gaze. Very wonderful. Let's start. AF, AIK, as far as I know. AKA, also known as. ASAP, as soon as possible. BAC, by any chance. COD, cash on delivery. BRB, be right back. BTW, by the way. CC, carbon copy. SYL, see you later. EOF, end of file. F to F, face to face. FWD, forward. FYI, for your information. BCC, blind carbon copy. HAND, have a nice day. EOM, end of month. NRN, no reply necessary. OOO, out of the office. YTD, year to date. LET, living yearly today. LOW, in other words. ISC, in any case. IMO, in my opinion. OTOH, on the other hand. EOD, end of the day. PRB, please reply by. STH, hope that helps. WFH, work from home. TLTR, too long to read. EOW, end of week. EOI, end of the year. SFW, safe for work. LMK, let me know. TYT, take your time. FIFO, first in, first out. So thank you very much, my dear friend, for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to write a very good mail, and we can understand that what is the importance of mail today. So thank you very much again for watching this video. Have a lovely day.